Hi, I'm Asia, and today we're making overnight oats with strawberry compote. Overnight oats with strawberry compote are a healthy make-ahead breakfast that's great for those mornings when you're rushing and you just want something quick and easy. The oats are really high in fiber, keeps you full longer, aids in digestion, and those strawberries are naturally sweet. It's a delicious breakfast. Today, we're using strawberries for our compote, but you can use whatever berries you prefer. I love blueberries and blackberries, raspberries as well. Feel free to use a blend of all four or just pick your favorites. As for the oats, get creative. Feel free to mix in things like vanilla extract or even cinnamon, nutmeg, all sorts of spices. My favorite overnight oats incorporate shredded carrots, raisins, and cinnamon. It's almost like eating carrot cake for breakfast. First, we're gonna mix the ingredients for our overnight oats. I like to use a mason jar, but you can use any bowl that you have. All right, now we're gonna make the strawberry compote. We're gonna mix the berries with some lemon and a bit of honey. Once it starts to heat, the berries will release liquid. Bring that liquid to a boil and simmer it for just a couple of minutes. Keep an eye on it. This process can go really quickly and we don't want to burn the sugars in the fruit. It'll lead to bitter tasting compote. That's how you make the overnight oats. They'll be ready tomorrow morning for a delicious and quick breakfast.